So I've been waiting all morning to get this mechanical inspection. At least we passed. The only problem is, now I need a framing inspection, and I can't get that for 4 days. Welcome back to the house edition. So, like I said, even though I got this inspection this morning and we passed, without the framing inspection tomorrow, I can't get the installation on Friday. So, I'm going to go ahead and close up this floor where we did the duct runs, and then I'll put the Hardie down in the bathroom. At least I can check that off the list. Okay, a small problem that I have is right in here where I had to cut this plywood, there's no joist that it's actually bearing on. So I need to put some blocking here and at least one or maybe even two more here, just so I have something for the plywood to actually bear on. Otherwise the floor will kind of droop. 14.25. Okay, let's glue it up. So this one's going to be a little more involved because we have to cut out for this duct. I'll just attach this right to the side here, and then I'll just measure out like this. How about 11.25? 11.25 by 4.5. How about that? Just the tiniest bit more. Okay, we're back. Need to get a tool to bend that. This seamer will work. Alright, so now I'm going to clean everything up and start laying the Hardie in the bathroom. So what I'll do is make a cut in the Hardie, kind of like this. And then I can cut out this piece to go around the flange. And then the larger piece will just slip right behind it. That way it'll kind of be continuous. 17. 15.5. Okay. I can just take that out of it. And we should be good to go. So just because I want to keep the dust down, I use this diamond jigsaw bit. And that keeps it a little clean. Especially while I'm inside. It is not fast, I'll tell you that much. I forgot about this register. Okay, 28.5, 3 3/4, 8.5. Okay, back to the drawing board. Come on. Are you serious? It's like a quarter of an inch away. Oh my God, look at how close that is. I can saw it by hand. Okay, let's dry fit this. Let's slide this thing in. Holy crap. There's like no way I'm gonna get that in there. Might need to slide it in the other way. Long ways. Let's try that. Good God almighty. There's a nail there. Oh my God, so damn close. Just can't get it to slip underneath. Let me think about this for a minute. It'll work. I just need to get it under there. We're going to try to glue it up. Let's just see what happens. Here goes something. Not sure what, but try to make it work. Oh yeah. Maybe. Let's work. Come on. Slide in. There we go. Woo! Oh my God. What an ordeal. Okay, here we go. Okay, how about 12 and a half, 10 and 3/4. Yep, same thing will work, I think. Pretty sure that'll work. There we go. Okay, there we go. That should work. Normally I would only use a 1/4 inch Hardie on a floor like this in a bathroom, but since it's only 5/8 plywood and the floor had a little bit of a dip in it, I figured it would be better to firm it up with the 1/2 inch, and it definitely feels more firm. Since I don't have any insulation or any walls or any ceiling in here, it takes a lot of heat to keep this conditioned, so I've been using these kerosene heaters. And 2 of these, it almost runs me out of here. If I had this thing set to low, it could run for almost maybe 9 or 10 hours. It's a great heater. And it's, as long as it doesn't burn out, it's not very dirty. So I got a later start this morning because I was waiting until about 11:30 for the inspection. But at least I was able to get the sheathing reinstalled, and I actually installed the Hardie in the bathroom. So I can at least check that off my list. So tomorrow, in the next clip, I need to do some very minor framing in the attic. There's some plywood that the homeowners have that's laid, and it's just basically laying on top of the insulation. I just want to put a couple sticks of wood and raise that up just a little so we can get insulation, full insulation underneath of it. And then we'll just reinstall the plywood. When they come later to blow in all the insulation in the ceiling, they can just kind of shoot it underneath and fill that up. So, I hope you'll join me in the next clip where we continue to make progress on the addition. I'll see you then.